Tandaan natin na kung gusto nyo din po ng bigger savings, bigger dividends, and cash loans, you and your employer, if kayo po ay employed, may contribute more than the required amount. Maganda din po ma-maintain natin ang hulog natin para dito. Dahil katulad po ng mga mutual fund investments na actively managed ng mga professional fund managers at may automated monthly investment programs, ang contribution nyo din po sa Pag-ibig Fund ay nagmimistula din pong forced savings, lalo na para sa ating mga di gaanong maalam at disiplinado pagdating po sa pag-iipon. Hi, this is Jung Fernando from Ramfer Financials. Kamusta po kayo mga ka-RFF? I hope everyone's keeping safe and well. Marami po sa atin ang matagal nang nagbabayad ng contributions para sa tinatawag na Pag-ibig Fund. Ngunit hindi po tayo aware kung para saan nga ba ito. Kailangan ba talaga natin ito? May ituturing ba itong magandang klase ng investment? Kaya naman po, minarapat namin na sa araw na ito, pag-uusapan natin ang tungkol dito. Established in 1978, the Home Development Fund is a government-owned and controlled corporation under the Department of Human Settlement and Urban Development. Ito ay mas kilala as the Pag-ibig Fund. The agency offers affordable home financing for us Filipinos. Magkano ba ang binabayad natin as Pag-ibig contributions? Your Pag-ibig contribution actually depends on your employment status. Here's a quick overview para mas maintindihan natin. If you're an employed member, here's what you need and your employer need to contribute. The contribution naman po of self-employed members will depend on their income. Pag-ibig categorizes self-employed members into two. Ang ating mga kasambahay or helpers also have to make contributions to reap Pag-ibig benefits. The amount will depend on their monthly salaries. Tandaan natin na kung gusto nyo din po ng bigger savings, bigger dividends, and cash loans, you and your employer, if kayo po ay employed, may contribute more than the required amount. Maganda din po ma-maintain natin ang hulog natin para dito. Dahil katulad po ng mga mutual fund investments na actively managed ng mga professional fund managers at may automated monthly investment programs, ang contribution nyo din po sa Pag-ibig Fund ay nagmimistula din pong forced savings, lalo na para sa ating mga di gaanong maalam at disiplinado pagdating po sa pag-iipon. Ang kagandahan pa po nito ay marami din po itong iba pang benepisyo na maaari nating ma-take advantage of, katulad na lamang po ng 5 ito. Number 1, Pag-ibig Regular Savings Program. Dito napupunta ang ating mga monthly contributions. If you're an employed Pag-ibig member, your monthly savings is immediately doubled. Lalaki din ito ng higit pa sa kinontribute mo sa pamamagitan po ng dividends na kinikita nito kada taon. You can also earn more dividends by increasing your monthly Pag-ibig contributions. At kung ikaw naman po ay isang employed member, your contributions are automatically deducted from your salary. Ang mga self-employed individuals and other members ay maaari din pong magbayad ng kanilang contributions through Pag-ibig's available bank accounts or channels. The Pag-ibig MP2 program is a voluntary savings facility for active or former Pag-ibig members who wish to earn even higher annual dividends. Pwede kang mag-enroll dito sa Pag-ibig Savings Program kahit na you already have the regular savings membership as discussed earlier. Ang MP2 ay may minimum lamang po na savings amount na 500 pesos. Pag-ibig MP2 earns tax-free dividends at a rate na mas mataas than that of the regular program. These dividends are from 70% of the Pag-ibig Fund's annual net income. Kung interesado ka, you can open an MP2 account via online or offline channels. The next benefit is number 2, which is Pag-ibig Loyalty Card Plus. O diba, Ngayon nyo lang siguro nadinig ito. Launched in 2014, the Pag-ibig Loyalty Card Program provides additional services and perks to its members. Isa sa mga benepisyo ng Pag-ibig Loyalty Card is that it lets you enjoy discounts and rewards in more than 300 partner establishments katulad na lamang po ng mga ito. And so the third benefit is Pag-ibig Housing Loan. Housing loans are probably the most popular Pag-ibig benefit. Pag Pag-ibig member ka, ay pwede kang humiram ng up to 6 million pesos and enjoy low interest rates. Pwede mo pong gamitin ang loan proceeds for the following. For example, purchase of residential lot, purchase of residential house and lot like townhouse, condominium, dumaman yan brand new, inclusive pa po minsan of a parking slot, house construction, house renovation, refinancing of an existing home loan at combined loan purposes. And so, the next benefit is number 4, which is Pag-ibig Home Equity Appreciation Loan or HEAL. Ang programang ito ay pinapayagan kang humiram ng amount from Pag-ibig based on your home's net value. Gamit ang inyong existing na tirahan, you can use its net value to borrow funds from Pag-ibig and use the proceeds for a variety of purposes katulad na lamang po ng home improvement, capital for business, educational expenses, and many more. And last but not the least is benefit number 5, which is Pag-ibig Calamity Loan or Multi-Purpose Loan. If you live in an area affected by a calamity, katulad na lamang po ng nagdaang super typhoon na si Karina, you can apply for a Pag-ibig Calamity Loan. Ito ay isa sa maraming benepisyo ng Pag-ibig Fund that you can enjoy as a member. The Calamity Loan aims to aid its members in calamity-stricken areas in case of flood, fire, or any other disasters. At ang kagandahan po nito, pwede ka nang humiram ng up to 80% of your total Pag-ibig savings na wala pong gaanong hirap. On the other hand, the Pag-ibig Multi-Purpose Loan or MPL is a cash loan naman that can help you deal with immediate financial needs or emergencies. These include medical expenses, capital for a small business, tuition fees, minor home improvements, payment for credit cards, and even utility bills. Through this program, pwede ka ding humiram ng up to 80% of your Pag-ibig regular savings. But wait, there's more! Alam niyo ba na meron pang Pag-ibig Provident Benefits? Tama po ang nadinig nyo. May Pag-ibig benefits din for senior citizens after retirement. As a contributing member, you can get your Pag-ibig savings upon retirement at age 60, optional po yan, or 65, which is ang mandatory ng gobyerno. Pwede ka din pong mag-claim ng Provident Benefits if you're at least 45 years old. However, your contributions po must be equal naman to 20 years or 240 months para maging eligible. At syempre po, kung may Provident Benefits na tinatawag for senior citizens, meron ding Pag-ibig Death Benefits na tinatawag. Kung ikaw ay isang legal na tagapagmana or benepisyaryo ng isang namayapa na Pag-ibig member, you can claim death benefits rin po, provided that the member did not claim their savings benefits when they were still alive. Note that unlike SSS, na nag-o-offer po ng hiwalay na death and retirement benefits, Pag-ibig doesn't offer funeral or burial benefits ha. Maaari pong nagulat kayo na nakapag-o-offer ang Pag-ibig ng higit pa sa isang simpleng housing loan na benepisyo. Ito lamang ay isa uling patunay na pag mas marami kang alam, mas marami ka ring matitipid mas marami ka rin pong mga strategies para sa iyong finances na magagawa, at mas marami ka rin pong ma-enjoy na benepisyo mula po sa ating gobyerno. Dahil kung di ka nagtatanong o nagsasaliksik, hindi mo rin po ito kusang makukuha. Katulad na nga lang po ng pinag-usapan natin ngayon, these pag-ibig benefits address more than just house financing. It also addresses major life events. At ngayon na alam nyo na ang iba't ibang pag-ibig benefits, dapat din ay di na natin pinag-iisipan pa kung magbabayad ka pa ng monthly contributions para dito o hindi na lang. Spread the word about these benefits dahil who knows, a family member or a friend might be of need of these. So there you have it. Sana po ay may natutunan kayo sa simpleng video na ito. Kung meron po kayong mga inquiries patungkol po sa ating topic today or interesado ka pong mag-open ng iyong mutual fund investment account, please feel free lang po to send us an email at info@rampver.com nang mabalikan po namin at ma-assess namin kayo. Sana po, ma-share nyo rin po ang content na ito at mag-subscribe na rin po sa aming YouTube at TikTok channels dahil kung mas malaki pa ang ating community, ay mas marami din po tayong pwede pang matulungang tao. Again, this has been June Fernando saying thank you so much for watching, for your continued support, and we'll see you in our next video. Stay safe and God bless mga ka-RFF.